Star the tab. It's not power working. Open the phone carefully. This battery connect the voltage meter. And check the battery. Perfect voltage is 4 volt, but it's showing under the 0.37 to 0.5 voltage. Remove battery connector. Use opener tool. Remove the battery from body. Remove the heat protect tap from battery motherboard. Find negative and positive terminal. Use 12 voltage power supply. And connect the positive negative for 120 seconds. After the connect battery and cover. Connect the 5 voltage charger. And start the phone is properly. Everything is okay and good working. Thanks watching my video and subscribe my channel.